This is where it melted. Yeah. Okay, on the side you can see it's not. So you see the difference. Just after 1 hour of use, the tip doesn't stay out anymore. It just simply falls. It just simply falls, and that's the only way it makes contact, because when I put it in, it will fall and just make contact. So it's not a perfect contact. And if I open it, I open the tip, you see this doesn't even fall. It's just stuck in there, it's glued in there because it just is melted, and the spring doesn't even work anymore. So that's it, you see, it's just melted in there.